Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Bought a new domain or just want to swap out your old one? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your domain name in Namecheap step by step, whether you are using it with hosting, a website builder, a redirecting it. Clarify what change domain means. When people say change domain name, they usually mean one of three things: pointing your website to a new domain, redirecting your old domain to the new one, swapping domains in your hosting or builder setup. Let's cover all of this. If you haven't already, head to namecheap.com and search for your new domain like your shop.com. Then buy it. Namecheap includes free whois privacy, whois keeps your information safe online. If you are using EasyWP, open your EasyWP dashboard. Or WordPress dashboard. Select the site from appearance, then theme. Click change domain, choose your new domain and save it. If you using shared hosting with cPanel, go to add-on domains or domains section from settings. Or upgrades section, then click domains. Add the new domain, update primary domain, or create a new site folder. Now go to your Namecheap dashboard, click domain. Then click on domain list. Then find your new domain and hit manage. Under name servers, set it to your hosting providers. Custom name servers or select Namecheap basic DNS if you want to add a records manually. To avoid losing traffic from your old domain, you can redirect it to the new one. Go to the old domain in Namecheap, then click manage, then redirect domain. Set the destination as your new domain. Don't forget to secure your new domain with SSL. If you are using the EasyWP or Namecheap's SSL, it will likely install automatically. If not, install Let's Encrypt SSL from your hosting control panel. If you using WordPress, if you use WordPress, go to settings, then general, and change both site URL and WordPress URL to your new domain. Use a plugin like Better Search Replace to update old links inside posts and pages. Just click plugins from your left sidebar from dashboard, then search for Better Search Replace. Replace. Then choose the first app and click upgrade and activate, then install it. The supported language like English, French, German, or Spanish. You can easily use the app. The following features in one simple plugin: serialization support for all tables, the ability to select specific tables, the ability to run a dry run to see how many fields will be updated. No server requirements aside from a running installation of WordPress. WordPress multi-site support. So time-saving features available in the Pro version, like view exactly what searched during a search and replace, backup and import the database while running a search or replace, priority email support from the developer of the plugin, save or load custom profiles for quickly repeating a search or replace in the future, support and updates for 1 year. So that's it. You have now changed your domain in Namecheap successfully. Remember to test your new domain, fix any broken links, and redirect your old domain for SEO. Just follow my instructions. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you renamed your site to. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.